back. No, no. Oh, to. Here. And this. Well, I think it should be